Hello, everyone, and welcome. In this video, I will be talking about Gestalt psychology and insightful learning theory. Let us first try to understand what is Gestalt psychology. Gestalt psychology, founded by Max Wertheimer, Wolfgang Kohler, and Kurt Koffker in the early 20th century, is a psychological perspective that focuses on the holistic nature of human perception and cognition. The term Gestalt is German for form or shape, emphasizing the idea that individuals perceive and experience the world as organized wholes rather than isolated parts. Gestalt psychology and insightful learning theory share common ground in their emphasis on holistic perception and the reorganization of cognitive structures. Understanding these principles can inform educational strategies that promote deeper learning and problem-solving skills among students. Let me now discuss key concepts of insightful learning theory. 1. Sudden restructuring. Insightful learning is characterized by a sudden and abrupt restructuring of cognitive elements. It is not a gradual accumulation of knowledge but a transformative leap in understanding. Example: in Kohler's famous experiments with chimpanzees, the animals faced problems, such as reaching a banana hanging out of reach. The solution, like stacking boxes to create a step, often occurred suddenly rather than through a step-by-step trial and error process. 2. Gestalt insight. The restructuring of cognitive elements results in the formation of a new Gestalt, or holistic understanding. This holistic insight allows individuals to see the solution or the relationships between elements. Example: consider a complex puzzle where the pieces suddenly come together in the mind, revealing the complete picture. This moment of clarity is an example of Gestalt insight. 3. Problem-solving orientation. Insightful learning is often associated with problem-solving situations. Individuals grapple with a problem, and the restructuring of cognitive elements leads to a sudden solution. Example: a student struggling with a mathematical concept suddenly understands the underlying principles, enabling them to solve related problems more easily. 4. Reorganization of information. Learning, in the context of insightful learning theory, involves the reorganization of existing cognitive structures. This reorganization leads to a qualitative change in understanding. Example: in a physics class, a student struggling with the concept of energy suddenly sees how various subconcepts, kinetic energy, potential energy, fit together, resulting in a deeper understanding. 5. Transferability. Once insight occurs in a specific context, individuals may be able to transfer this newfound understanding to similar situations. The learning is not limited to the specific problem at hand. Example: a person who gains insight into effective time management in a professional setting might apply similar principles to improve their personal productivity. Educational implications. Insightful learning theory. 1. Encouraging problem-solving activities. Design learning activities that involve open-ended problems, requiring students to engage in critical thinking and find creative solutions. Rationale. Problem-solving activities promote the conditions for insightful learning by encouraging students to reorganize their cognitive structures to address challenges. 2. Providing diverse learning experiences. Incorporate a variety of learning experiences, including hands-on activities, experiments, and real-world scenarios. Rationale. Diverse experiences stimulate different cognitive processes, fostering the restructuring necessary for insightful learning. 3. Emphasizing connections. Emphasize the interconnectedness of concepts and encourage students to explore relationships between different pieces of information. Rationale. Highlighting connections helps students see the holistic nature of knowledge, promoting insightful learning. 4. Recognizing and celebrating insights. Actively acknowledge and celebrate aha moments in the learning process. Rationale. Recognizing and celebrating insights encourages a positive learning environment and reinforces the value of sudden restructuring in understanding. 5. Promoting active engagement. Encourage active engagement through discussions, group activities, and problem-solving tasks. Rationale. Active engagement enhances the likelihood of insightful learning by prompting students to actively think about and reorganize information. In conclusion, insightful learning theory underscores the transformative nature of learning, emphasizing the sudden restructuring of cognitive elements to achieve a holistic understanding. Educational practices aligned with this theory prioritize problem solving, diverse learning experiences, and the recognition of insightful moments, fostering a more profound and enduring comprehension of the subject matter. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shokeen Bilal.